After breakfast, we left Port Dickson and headed towards Malacca. If you avoid the highways, it's a more interesting drive. And we saw this temple with a very long name. I'll call it the Agora temple. The Agoras don't go in much for social distinctions and rather believe in confronting one's mortality and thus destroying fear. And they also like to indulge in rather strange sexual practices which are designed to essentially put one off sex. And, well, the Agora are the naked sadhus who like to take off all their clothes and roam around and show that they have conquered shame. So they literally aim to not give a fuck about anything.
India. Okay, so in Johor Bahru, a lot of the Indian community there came from South India. So their temples are dedicated to something Mariamam. So they're South India.
From India come.
Yeah, but the south, the very bottom.
Yeah, the Tamils. Tamils.
Tamil.
Okay, so your community, which bit of India did they come from?
Tamil.
Also Tamil?
We all got Tamil.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, thank you. It's just your temple looks so different from the ones that we're used to. I wondered if you came from a different region in India. Can you tell me about this one?
This boss name is Darian.
Okay. What will happen if we annoy this god?
What is his name?
He looks very fierce.
This god will, if you have any problem in your hunting case or money problem or
Okay.
this god, we
Will
pray
help?
for this god.
This is an unusual temple, though how much they agree with the full Agora program is probably debatable, so I'll leave that for others to find out. The Indian population in Malaya are very overrepresented in the professions. In fact, 38% of the medical services are provided by Indians, and 15% of all professional classes are Indian. Even so, there are those at the other end of the scale brought in as labourers in the rubber plantations during the 19th and early 20th century. Ooh, look, a butterfly farm. Can we stop here? Can we stop here? Can we stop here? Can we stop here? Yeah, well, yeah. creek. Hello. There are places in the world where this might be considered sizing up one's lunch, but I'm watching my weight, and so I opted instead for a coconut smoothie. But I was promised butterflies. Where are the butterflies? Where are the butterflies? Show me the butterflies. Tread on them. Don't tread on them. Oh, poor old soul. Right, we are off to have a cooking class where we're going to learn how to cook and eat something. What is it that we're going to learn how to cook?
Something that's got chicken in it, Lawrence.
Chicken.
Yep.
Well, we know how to cook chicken. Is it nonya chicken or
That's
Indian
my answer
chicken?
to your question.
That's all we know.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a big surprise. Cooking school. Oh. And you're right. That's nice. Hello. We came across this cookery school when they commented on one of our videos, saying we should visit them in Malacca. So, as we often do, we thought, why not? Our host was reluctant to show her face on the video for reasons she couldn't explain, but after we told her we had been visiting a pineapple farm, she recoiled in horror. She hated pineapples. All those prickly eyes staring back at you, she said, somehow freaked her out. So at that point I felt it better not to probe too much into the psychology of her fear of showing her face and put it down to there being not so queer as folks.
Spices, so we are using the 4 friends, which is the cinnamon stick, star anise about 3 until broken, and then 4 cloves.
Quiet, we started a year ago, we were 20 per week.
20 per week.
But that was, sometimes you would do 1 or 2 per night,
Yeah.
and then on another ridiculous night you'd do 11.
That cat's got rather a big head, hasn't it?
No, it's okay, I'll hide behind Bob.
Right.
Go in the right direction?
Put my phone down here.
Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah. So that was our cooking lesson at Lee and Tina's place in Malacca. You should give it a try. They are delightfully bonkers, like so many people we meet in Malaysia. And I have to say that the one drawback of the place was the lack of alcohol. A dinner do without an infusion of alcohol into my brain is all wrong. My culture demands it of me. It is a sacred duty. So it's back to the hotel, and I wonder if they can deliver a margarita to my hotel room. That's all for now. So please subscribe, like and share, and why not take a look at all the other videos that we have made of our travels around Malaysia and a few other places. And please comment. And, well, at the beginning of this video, I've announced a quiz, so see if you can guess the right answer.